Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat, make video calls, and create groups directly in Gmail. This is perfect for staying connected and managing communications efficiently. First, open your Gmail and click on the gear icon on the top right to access your settings. This right here. And then choose See All Settings. Over here, we have multiple tabs. Click on Chat and Meet over here and make sure to select Google Chat to enable it. So this is how to enable it, and also Meet, show the Meet section in the main menu. All right. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Once Google or Gmail refreshes, look at the sidebar and click on Chat right over here. See, you will now click on the new chat button and enter the email address of the person you want to chat with, right? So for example, we can easily look up for anyone, click on that person, and then click on Start Chat. This opens a chat window for instant messaging. In the chat window, click the video call icon that looks like a small camera over here. This will ring the recipient and start a video call once they answer. To chat with multiple people, click the new chat button and select create room or group over here, okay? Instead of just a single person, add participants and start a group chat or video call to collaborate efficiently. And that's it. You're now ready to chat, make video calls, and create groups right from Gmail, keeping all your communications in one place. I hope you found this video very helpful.